What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are jumping back onto the Supra. So we're going to be prepping the normal body panels, and look, I'll take you in there and I'll show you exactly what things we need to fix, and we'll probably find a bunch more things after that. So let's jump on in, get down there. Okay, so to show you what we got to fix.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you?
We'll get them perfect. And this big lump, or the two dents in the front bumper, they're going to go. We've got to fix some little things over the front bumper, but that'll be in the next video for the body kit. So as you can see, the quarter panel's all body worked. That hip's looking good, and the wheel arch, the door's looking good, and this front arch is looking absolutely Mickey Mouse now. So we're just going to line everything up, get it perfect. And on this side, same thing. That back arch is looking mint now. The door, that's all nice and perfectly flat. And then coming forward, we've just got to finish off this front arch. We're done. And just quickly showing you the rear arch, we need to sand these bits back, but they got stripped bare metal, welded up, and then fillered. So that is the bodywork pretty much done, guys. So we welded up the aerial hole, the rear window water squirter, and the rear window windscreen wiper. Properly welded and bodyworked. Any small little, I can't even call them dents because they weren't really dents in the car. It was just like a low point. Rubbed it back to metal, filled it properly, and got it nice and perfectly flat. We sorted out the wheel arches, all that sort of thing. Now, I'm not going to include the body kit in this video because that's a whole different realm of things. And I figure if people are doing a new body kit on their car, just that, you know, they're not doing a full respray, that video may help them just, you know, for that video. There's a lot of work. It's a rep kit. We're doing some custom stuff on the bumpers. We just, I think you'll appreciate it being in its own video, so this one doesn't drag on. But I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope it's been helpful. And if you want to follow along and see the rest of the build and all the other stuff that I do with cars, don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. See you guys.